Sometimes, I feel like I'm standing alone in the world, like everyone else is moving forward. And I'm still here. Everything feels messy. Inside my room, inside my mind, thoughts everywhere, unfinished feelings. I know I should face it, but opening that drawer feels like opening old wounds. My mind never rests. It keeps replaying things. What I said, what I didn't say. So, I stop for a moment. I take a deep breath, and I tell myself, let's try. Just one thing. One shirt, one paper, one small corner. Not perfect, just honest. Some things are hard to touch. They remind me of who I was, of who I wanted to be. Letting go hurts, but holding on hurts too. It keeps me tired. Sometimes, goodbye is kindness. Slowly, something changes. My heart feels lighter. Caring for my space is caring for my mind. This place feels safe now. So do I. Maybe tomorrow will be okay. I'm trying, and that matters.